wabo club ne da so na me chen say then near J part of coaching assistants are too and good for Kotoko because ubetimi the next year say who groom me for the future e be do point me na near J na ya wa wo dia head coach no ahye ho no na ekro no so na me chen
Ablodo coach and team manager.
Come the neighbors team manager. Frank. Frank na come the youth side no.
He has not taken chance.
As for issue no. As for issue be say me come here but I think ankanya bad. Say team no more preseason. We say has because of their location baby omo training grounds no. I don't know say has ebe shift to training grounds to a different location. But as I say I come over preseason mu there. And coach no stay closer to the club nanke.
Stay.
Yeah. For the preseason.
They also tonight.
Because say has preseason never be about the permanent you. But as I say no more preseason mu there. And when you close to.
Now ombe pre-season ning na wo.
It looks like on preseason on base will put my. So to send them it looks like on base will put my because Sawosha Hasa they have their training facilities. Say outside be no more course, say outside Ghana, but their house we omo train was do. And if no Ghana has been your training pitch better than the open mine to do their preseason. And I baby omo no kra na why quiet. Kakra.
Put my on.
Aye, ti nka coach no.
So the no answer what to us about.
Ba for na onipa no.
Ba ba adwuma no. Onim no.
Ni nipa no. Onim na bosha.
Na bosha okay because a tinkler.
Na bosha na bosha. One nkasa na ayi do ka ome team no for pre-season there. On stay open.
Kontiase no ntena ho.
On stay open man. Zoto
Owia no makopa ba bia manatena.
Oh, say no ogusu no wo ho na no. But because one thing say
so between baby oti.
Aside Didi Dramani, recently has coaches ni accommodation and share any problem.
Yeah.
Because me kai say board do be house school. Say board do not cantonment to say. One of the expensive areas to
the Russian ambassador in the share wall.
Say cantonment was so one about chairman so te.
O say enumere no.
Oyede.
Enumere no ohia ne nuane na mbofo.
You coach
so osuba bi tina
kakra. You have life.
Oh, so konyo osuba bi tina kakra.
You talk players bi wo ho a omo hia time, bi wo ho omo hia time. Player wo hwe na to ba ku mienu mienza no nimbo. Ye time ade be ma no. So on the mission. Player bo hwe ne ba ku mienu mienza to say player we dey omo a. Ebi o ya de ba ne standard nye club. Entina, onzo hwe am so to entina. Big clubs, any player bi no mo sign on.
Of course, yeah.
Big clubs, any player be no mo sign no. E be a player bu ha, zoto obeti akobo a smaller club. Okay, then Asante Kotoko Dogo Yakubu.
Yeah.
So ka asema I think say asema me kan wa ha. Na me say time na Kotoko wo mu no. Eh, wo striker sin she go. Na me zoto so ko striker. Asikan run obe she go samawa. Dogo Yakubu. For
Uramu team ni koyia oba
ko that time no na de Kotoko hia yo obi obehye goals amomo eno mo to ni wie so man to bia o sa be do obehye mu
no why so za ko Libya
abetamo
onu se no to me hwe ni din no
heading towards
me hwe ni din na me hwe ni development a dogo so onye Kotoko standard dabi
ngokra
omontono omontono Vampiska
no
so we say Morifing Donso o man 15 years kura de otia no be nothing will change. Oh, that is the truth. Obi o hwe Morifing Donso bi am zoto this one be so be kan okre
o say
mama ka se mi chira zoto mi share papa bi last season obi o Tako stadium pa na Kotoko match bi na me share no ayi Amas ayi sa ayi washing bay na Amas gate ni na mbizan sa jana na onko stadium o see yakwa amrante ne ball no ball ahun keka bi anim
onyaza
no but that is the Kotoko players no mo ball last season bi bi anu we be mo wasa asori kwasi da bi ezo ko hebo
onyaza
Why? Zakaria Fuseni.
One more chance.
Ono kwade because ono ni profile na ye.
No, plead on about.
No, on the profile. But you
Aka back will be
Johnson.
Johnson.